नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself JVN Dr. Astha Sikarwar, Assistant Professor, Department of Organ of Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today's topic is from psychology. Topic is study of the behavior. Behavior is defined as observable or potentially observable activities of people or animals. It's anything a human being or animal does that can be observed. Branches of knowledge using behavior for their studies. Social psychology is the scientific field that seeks to understand the nature and causes of individual behavior and thoughts in social situations. Sociology is concerned about group behavior. Sociobiology, the role of genetic and biological factors affecting social behavior. Attribution, anthropology compares behavior in different cultures. Faculties that influence behavior. Learning and behavior. Learning is defined as any relatively permanent change in behavior that occurs as a result of practice or experience. There are different types of learning. Classical conditioning, instrumental conditioning, cognitive learning, prepared behavior, unprepared and contra-prepared behavior. Personality and behavior. When psychologists define personality, they tend to refer to the qualities within the person or the behavioral characteristics of a person or both. Memory and behavior. Memory is the part of cognitive learning. It helps us to keep in store the past experiences, so it indirectly helps in molding behavior. Motives and behavior. Motivation is defined as conditions within the organism that arouse, maintain, and direct behavior to a specific goal. Attitude and behavior. Attitudes are developed based on firm beliefs or convictions after proper of some objects, and they will guide behavior. But we cannot accept that attitude will always influence behavior. Emotion and behavior. Emotion is a subjective, behavior is perceived by external manifestation. There are a number of theories showing emotion, motivation, behavior relationship. For a number of emotions, different parts of bodily activity can be detected. Genetic factors and heredity and behavior. Study of monozygotic twins shows identical behavior pattern even when they are brought up into environmental situations. Behavior and endocrine system. Studies on aggressive behavior has shown that endocrine system has a role in molding behavior. Behavior and environment, life situation, culture. They have a definite role in molding behavior. These in turn are related with learning, cognition, etc. Behavior and stress. There is a major study on frustration, aggression. Definitely it will influence behavior. Major types of behavior. Pro-social behavior refers to action that provides benefit to others, but this will have no obvious benefit for person who carries them out. This is also known as helping behavior, charitable behavior, and altruism. When comparing with the personality, we cannot pinpoint one personality trait have shown a pro-social behavior, but a personality which has the following has shown a pro-social behavior: altruistic personality, empathy for the suffering of others, believing in a strong just word, felt more socially responsible, less egocentric. Aggression. It is a behavior directed towards the goal of harming another living being. This is an intentional infliction of some form of harm on others. This is the exact opposite of pro-social behavior. Various theories related with aggression. First, instinct theory. Aggression is an innate behavior. The basic nature of this theory is that it is an essential nature of human being. Sigmund Freud was the strong supporter of this theory, but psychologists as a whole rejected this concept because aggression type behavior is influenced by social, environmental, cultural, living habits and standards, etc. Biological theories. Psychologists are saying that certain hormones, serotonin, testosterone, etc., will influence aggressive behavior. It cannot be considered as the final word. Drive theories are saying that external factors which make frustration in us will arouse our motives to harm others. This is frustration aggression theory. Social learning theory. Learning theory suggests that aggression behavior is learned through observation or past experiences. Cognitive theories of aggression suggest that aggression starts from complex interplay from cognitive factors, emotion, past experiences, and current moods, etc. Emotions cognition has a control over the other. It is said that type A personality people are more aggressive than type B. Behavior in groups. We will restrict our negative behaviors when in group being that others are watching, analyzing and evaluating. But when small groups are moving out of place, there will have a different behavior of audacity also. Spatial typical behavior. This is more common in lower animals. This is species specific. In human being, we cannot see such species typical behavior prominently. The behavior of small infants, certain emotions are considered as species typical, although social behavior. It is learned through constant interaction with others. This term is with reference to the socially acceptable and adapted pattern of behavior. Biology of behavior. The hypothalamus is concerned with certain types of motivated behavior such as hunger, thirst, and sexual behavior, etc. Emotion expression are made through the limbic system, which consists of structures in the thalamus, hypothalamus, and cerebrum. When prefrontal cortex is damaged, either influence impulsiveness, immaturity in social behavior can occur or increased apathy, loss of initial drive and reduction in emotional expression can occur. When the frontal lobe central cortex is affected, movement of the particular body structures will be affected, which results in physical abnormalities of behavior. Behavior disorders. The major behavior disorders are seen in children are attention deficient hyperkinetic disorders. The major symptoms include hyperactivity, impulsivity, inattention, and emotional ability. Conduct disorder, the basic rights of other children are violated and usual rules and dictums of society are not properly followed. Autism. Eating disorders associated with behavior syndromes, anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa, obesity. Exposure to substance use disorders, example, caffeine, tobacco dependence, heroin, and alcohol dependence disorders associated with mental faculties showing behavioral changes. Almost all the diseases affecting the personality, mood affect, thinking, emotion can cause behavioral disturbances. Behavioral therapy is based on learning principle. Its aim is to change the maladaptive behavior. The procedures are used according to the environment and problems. Classical conditioning technique. Systematic desensitization, useful in cases fear, anxiety to appear examination, apprehensions, etc. Flooding for to get rid of fear of heights, etc. Aversion therapy, especially in cases of alcohol, tobacco, drug abuse, etc. Operant conditioning for increasing behavior. Used methods are positive reinforcement, negative reinforcement, model behavior, etc. Operant conditioning for decreasing behavior, punishment, timeout, omission. This is all about behavior. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.